guys, I thought this would be super cute and fun, especially because guess what's coming up? Halloween. I know it's still August 31st and we have so much time, but I'm a cosplayer and every day is costume time for me, I guess. I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that. But anyways, I thought it would be fun to do Boo. I know she's like a 2-year-old little girl and everything, but I don't know. I just thought it would be a lot of fun. I mean, you can animate whatever you want. You can cosplay any character you want. Technically, I could make her 12 if I wanted to right now. I could make her 14 if I wanted to. It doesn't matter. Just as long as you stay true to the character and understand that it is a child character and to not overdo it. But there are so many ways to change a character, which I think is the best part about art and creativity. So yeah, I thought Boo would be a lot of fun. It's super easy, very DIY. All you need is a hot pink oversized shirt with some purple leggings, a short wig that I got like on Amazon for $8, and then like some cute little pink things. I don't know what to call them, those little ball things that you put on your hair. And just super simple makeup. If you have a really young, fresh face, good for you. Don't do the makeup if you don't want to. And if you just wanted the costume, sure, do that. But I need makeup because I am not a child and I need to cover grown-up things, like things that I have to deal with, like stress and dark circles. So I gotta cover that up. So as you can see, I've just used a few colors from the Sweet Peach palette, like the pink shade, the beige shade, and also just a little bit of brown for shading underneath the eye. Yeah, underneath the eye. I don't know where I was going with that. And I'm putting some white eyeliner as well. This is going to give my eyes a more rounded eye effect, more childlike. I know I'm not a kid at all, but this is going to give me a youthful look. We'll say that. So this is probably the easiest cosplay I've ever done. Very simple, and with COVID and everything going on, I'm not sure how everything is going to be like. So simpler is better right now. Then taking a really pink blush, I'm placing this all over my cheeks to give myself a childlike flush. So all over the cheeks, on the nose, and that's going to give you very youthful looking skin. This was so much fun. I did post a picture of me as Boo on my cosplay account, so you can check that out. Everything is down below. But yeah, this one was very easy to achieve. That's why it's for beginners and an easy cosplay as well. Topping it off, I'm just taking Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury, just a lip liner. There's just something about this lipstick. It's just perfect. It makes your lips look very natural, and it's already almost the color of my lips. I'm just helping define the shape of my lips as well, just giving them more a little round, kind of like Boo. And just make sure you blend that in completely. I use my finger at one point. But that is it. Go find Sully and a Mike Wazowski doll or something, and this is the perfect, cute, easiest cosplay ever. I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, I have some really exciting news. So I am a proud member of the Otaku Box Puri Puri Squad, and so what the Otaku Box is just every month you'll get a box full of fun anime and gaming items. You can also vote on what you want to get, and each box will come with a wall scroll, button, waifu card, figure, yes, a figure, and 3 to 5 more anime cards, and as well as the Ecchi Art app. It's only a subscription, and it features hundreds of exclusive ecchi photos, illustrations, animations, and manga each month. So it's influenced by, yes, the fans. So you guys go ahead and check that out. Everything will be in the description box below.